They said nothing was growing. They said I was wasting my time. They said if it's working, there'd already be some kind of sign. But I read about seed in the winter. I read about faith in the fog. I knew that the harvest was coming even when the field looked wrong. So I stayed when the numbers were silent. I sowed when the ground looked bare. I sharpened the blade in the quiet and stood on the promise, right there. And now when they ask me the secret, how'd you win when you started so slow? I tell them the slow start was sacred, and it's the only way I'd ever know. That the win wasn't luck or a shortcut. It wasn't timing or a break. It was staying when staying was costly. That's the slow start you must survive to make. Let us not be weary in well-doing, for in due season we shall reap if we faint not. Keep growing, keep sowing, keep going. Don't make the mistake of thinking that because you're off to a slow start means that you're never going to arrive. Remember, where you're headed is far more important than how long it takes to get there.